Hello, today I want to pick this Go Grand V, which is a Japanese high pin count lock with 24 pins in 3 rows, 8 pins each, left, top and right. Mostly mushroom spools as drivers, but also some standards in the low lift positions and overmilling in the core. Overall, difficult lock to pick, but it should be doable. So let's see how it goes. Okay, one on the left, small click, out to now 4, now 5, on the right I think, one on the right, small click, small click out of 5 on the right, 2 on the left, now binding, second click, feels set for now, 3, small click, 4 is good, 5, nice click, 3 dropped, click and it's back, 6, small click, 7 is good, 8, click, 100 click out of 8, 2 is good, 3, click, 4, 5 click, 6, binding, click, 7, 8, okay, 1, 2, 5, click, 7, click, and 8, another click, 3 on the left dropped, click. Okay, let's check the top now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 dropped, rest of the pins are okay. Back to the side rows, let's try the right maybe now. 3, good click, click out of 4, I think. No. Now there was a click out of 4. Okay, now the left side. Right side feels completely set. 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Set. Three dropped. Set. And we have got this open. Alright, that was tricky, like I said before. Over-milling really make all of that way more difficult. Okay, as you can see, it is picked. Let's make some room on the desk like that. I don't have a tray that would be good for this lock. But this should suffice. I hope my phone won't die. Nope, doesn't look like it. All right. Okay, we're gonna arrange the pins like that. Left row is gonna be on the bottom here. Then left row, then the top row, starting from here, I think, and then the right row on the top. By the way, huge thanks to the greenish one, whose lock this is, and who was so kind to let me pick it before I sent it to him, because I bought it in Japan for him. So once again, the greenish one, I very much appreciate your help. Without you, this bit wouldn't be possible. I think my hands are a little shaky because I was trying to record this log for quite a while. Okay. We have to arrange them somewhat to make room on the tray. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Is that right? I think it wasn't. Crap. Very difficult thing to do. Maybe I should do it differently. That's my mess up, but we're gonna find out easily which is which. It should be like that. If you drop the spring, oh, it's on my lap. Awesome. Okay. Okay, that's the pins. Let's take the rest off. Circlip and the bearings. Come on. Okay, now the bearings. Let's see where they are at. They're here. Oh, it doesn't come forward. Interesting. Because of the tailpiece, I think. Yeah. Yeah, probably. Well done. So we won't be able to get it, but fully. That is, but yeah, here it is. You probably won't be able to see the overmilling, but maybe somehow. Okay, but there are the pins. Like I said before. Standards on the lowest of the lifts. 1, 4, 7. No standards in the top row. And 1, 2, and 6 in the right row. Yeah, quite a few pins from in 3 rows with this overmilling that make the feedback pretty much disappear at the end of the picking, at the stage of picking the drivers from the overmilling. So yeah, there you go. Thank you. I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you Greenish once again for letting me pick this lock. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day and bye bye till the next one.